If you're already a nurse, you have little to worry about with job security. This career field has become more sought after in the last 20 years, and there will be more than 500,000 new positions by 2022. But for hospitals, this actually means a loss for experienced staff. New nurses feel intimidated by this, knowing that they won't have as many mentors to help. However, there are many ways that hospitals can improve performance so that they are equipped to effectively do their jobs. Hi everyone, I'm Matt from Tactics, and today I'm going to share with you 4 ways to help boost nurses' performance. But before we get started though, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. While you're down there, hit that alert bell icon next to it as well, so when we post new helpful content, you get notified. The first way to help improve your staff's performance is to foster and cultivate teamwork. Like I already mentioned, nurses might feel intimidated if they don't have as many mentors available to them. There may be more pressure that they'll make a mistake when they first start their job, but using a team model approach helps reduce this fear. Instead of assigning one nurse to a specific patient, you can assign more patients between 2 nurses. This takes the pressure off new employees since there's always someone else that can help. By having 2 nurses for a set of patients, it makes staff more likely to ask questions and get help if they need it. It also makes it easy to get to know the other employees by working together as a team. Staff surveys indicate that 61% of nurses who use this model felt supported during their shifts. It increases continuity of care by 45% and makes peers more likely to hold each other more accountable. Next, hospital staff should encourage and promote feedback. Even though team nursing makes them more open, 34% of nurses still feel uncomfortable with challenging other team members. By asking for employee feedback, you can determine areas that need improved. This can reveal who is struggling and what resources the nurses need to better do their jobs. Along with getting feedback, it's also important to give it. The best way to do this is in the private performance reviews. Everyone makes mistakes and you don't want to scold or embarrass anyone in public. Instead, meet with them individually to address how they can improve. Help them come up with actual solutions rather than just telling them that they need to get better. Setting goals together helps them feel motivated to work toward those improvements. Plus, they'll feel value getting advice from someone with more experience than themselves. Critical feedback isn't the only kind of feedback you should give. Celebrating accomplishments also boosts performance. If a nurse is recognized for their good work, it confirms that they're succeeding and they'll want to continue that effort. Not only will they know that they're on the right track, but they'll also have a more positive outlook on the workplace. Receiving praise boosts job satisfaction and morale so that they're more likely to stay at the hospital that they're working at. This helps your hospital retain the best employees, especially if you're losing those with the most experience. Nurses don't need to worry about finding a job, but at some point they may get anxiety about keeping their job. People should know that they're performing well so that they continue their best work and are more likely to stay at where they're working. And if they do need to improve, having staff work together with them or give feedback will encourage them on what to do differently. This educates your new nurses so that they can become more experienced over time. If you'd like to learn more about boosting nurses' performance, reach out to Tactics. And you already made this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.